Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Acrobat's asking to sign in every time. So if Adobe Acrobat asks you to sign in every time you open the app, so the issue is usually caused by corrupted sign-in credentials, expired authentication tokens, disabled background services, or outdated software. So actually guys, at first you will need to make sure that you are using the correct Adobe account. Right, so if you have multiple Adobe accounts, ensure you are signing in with the one that owns your Acrobat subscription. Right, so just open Acrobat right here just like that and sign out of all Adobe accounts. So you only just go ahead to the profile or the icon or your profile icon that's located at the top, right? And here you will need to go with sign out. And once signing out, you will need to go to the task manager, this one. So how you can open it, you will need just to go to the taskbar, right click on it, and then go with the task manager, the first option. And here just find Adobe Acrobat and go with end task, and that's of course after signing out. Right, so now guys, you will need to right click on Adobe Acrobat and then just go with run as administrator, and then yes, and then just go ahead, click on sign in and sign in with the correct Adobe ID. Also guys, I'd really advise you to update the Adobe Acrobat. So the older versions may have authentication bugs, so just open Acrobat right here, go to the question mark or help that's located at the top right, and here you will need to go with the Acrobat help. So once you click it, you will get forwarded into their official website. So there you go. Yeah, all you need to do is to go with get started and then just download the Acrobat Reader from here to download any available updates and then just restart your computer. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.